Hi guys, Knife Detector here, and I bet I know what you're thinking. Where's the knife? Where's the knife, Knife Detector? Well, I'll tell you what. This story is a story of two knives, a tale of two knives. And there once was a knife that Knife Detector wanted, and he still wants. He hasn't been able to acquire because it's too darn expensive. It cost $150. It is called the Gerber Magnum. And here is a picture right there. Now, one day, the Knife Detector was perusing eBay, and he happened to come upon this beauty of a knife that looked like it had some rust and some pitting, and is from around the same era as that Gerber Magnum, which I think is the 1980s. And looked just like it. Looked just like the Gerber Magnum. And he couldn't believe it because the dimensions were about exactly the same, and it's made in Japan, like I believe the Gerber Magnum is. So guess what I did, guys? I bought it for 20 bucks. And here it is. Check it out. It's got some beautiful wood. I don't know what kind of wood that is, but it's very highly polished. It has a little bit of micro pitting going on in there. I tried to polish it out as best as I could, but it won't come out. Check out the finger grooves on this bad boy. It is 4.5 inches long closed. And check out the mirror polish. Check that out. Look at that, man. That is some pretty good polish right there. Hello. So right there, and check this out. Black Stallion. This is the Compass Japan Black Stallion made with 440 stainless steel. And the quality of the knife is so good, guys, I would not doubt it that this was made in Seki, Japan. It is just a beautiful, beautiful knife. And it looks just like the Gerber Magnum that I've always wanted. And so I found this knife and I snapped it up for 20 bucks. And I couldn't believe it, that I found this knife that looked just like it. This knife is great. It hasn't had a whole lot of use. It's got a little bit of micro pitting, but I don't mind that because look at that blade. It's pretty much pristine on this knife. Nickel silver bolsters. Look at those finger grooves. Just ample knife, guys. This is like a hunter's dream right here, this knife. So I like this knife so much that I said to myself, this knife is pretty reasonably priced at 20 bucks. And I thought to myself, what if you got lucky and you were able to find another? So then guess what? I looked around and I found another one for 20 bucks. This one's had a little bit more use. The blade is not as pristine. Look, no pitting on the nickel silver bolsters. Finger grooves still look beautiful. It is, again, a Black Stallion made Compass Japan. 440 stainless. Still got a lot of glare there. Check out those grooves. Yeah, it's got a little nick back here. You can barely notice it, but it's got a little nick so where somebody dropped it. The previous owner. But check out that beauty, guys. And this one is so smooth that, you can do a one-hand open with this, just like I did a little while ago, because the blade is not that stiff. So you can just do a little bit of this and then lickety-flickety, lickety-splitty, right there. Real quick. So I love this knife, guys. This is like a hunter's dream right here. Again, this handle looks slightly different. It's not as polished as the other one. I don't know what kind of wood that is. I'm thinking that's walnut. Could be walnut or an ebony type of wood. Beautiful, beautiful knife, guys. So I wanted to share this with you, and that's why this video is called A Tale of Two Knives, because this is a beautiful knife. It is a beauty, and now it has a brother, and together they can go ahead and they can be friends. Now this one is probably going to get a lot less use because it's so pretty. This one is probably going to get a lot of pocket carry right there. So just wanted to let you guys know these are out there to be gotten. If you can't afford a Gerber Magnum, get the next best thing. Get yourself a Japanese beauty. This is Knife Detector signing off, saying have a fantastic weekend to come. God bless you, my friends. Take care.